Kunzea Pain Relief Cream is a topical herbal analgesic cream made by the Australian brand Zea Relief, designed to ease muscle aches, soreness, mild joint pain, and even nerve discomfort. It retails for around 18 Australian dollars for a 50-gram tube, which equals roughly 12 to 15 US dollars. The brand claims the cream provides fast-acting relief from inflammation and pain by penetrating through the skin and targeting the affected area directly. It's said to help with muscle soreness, strains, arthritis-related joint stiffness, and nerve-related pain, while also soothing skin inflammation and improving skin health. The cream's main active ingredient is Tasmanian Kunzea oil, extracted from the Kunzea ambigua plant native to Australia. This essential oil is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, thanks to natural compounds called sesquiterpenes that help reduce pain and swelling at a cellular level. Alongside Kunzea oil, the formula includes rosemary leaf extract, lavender oil, vitamin E, shea butter, and macadamia oil. Rosemary boosts circulation and reduces oxidative stress in tissues. Lavender has a calming effect on the skin and nerves, and vitamin E helps repair and nourish skin cells. The natural oils and butters keep the cream moisturizing, allowing deeper penetration of the active compounds. Together, these ingredients create a therapeutic blend that not only relieves discomfort, but also supports long-term skin and muscle recovery. Users have shared many positive reviews about Kunzea Pain Relief Cream. People with mild arthritis, back stiffness, or sore muscles say they felt noticeable relief within minutes to hours of application. Many appreciate that the texture is smooth, non-greasy, and has a refreshing herbal scent. Some say it became their go-to cream after trying multiple pain balms that didn't work as effectively. However, there are a few red flags to note. A small number of users mentioned mild skin irritation or allergic reactions, possibly due to the natural nut oils in the formula. Others found it less effective for severe or chronic pain, explaining that while it soothes discomfort, it doesn't completely eliminate deep joint pain. Overall, Kunzea Pain Relief Cream appears to be a high-quality, natural alternative to synthetic pain relief products. It's especially worth trying for those dealing with mild to moderate discomfort, muscle soreness, or inflammation who want a gentle yet effective solution without harsh chemicals. While it's not a miracle cure, and results vary from person to person, most reviews suggest it delivers real relief and is worth the investment for natural pain management.